Welcome to our comprehensive guide on strategic planning and project selection in project management. In this video, we'll explore the importance of these concepts and how they can drive successful project outcomes. Strategic planning involves setting long-term goals and defining the steps needed to achieve them, ensuring each project aligns with overall business objectives. Project selection is about choosing the right projects that provide maximum value and align with the strategic plan. Understanding and mastering these processes are crucial for project managers as they balance limited resources, tackle unforeseen challenges, and aim for successful project completion. We'll lay the foundation to understand why strategic planning and project selection are indispensable in achieving project management excellence. Stay tuned as we delve deeper. Welcome to our deep dive into defining strategic planning. Strategic planning is more than just a buzzword, it's a critical process in project management. But what exactly does it entail? Simply put, strategic planning is a systematic process of envisioning a desired future and translating this vision into broadly defined goals or objectives, along with a sequence of steps to achieve them. It involves identifying key components such as setting clear objectives, analyzing the internal and external environments, and formulating strategic initiatives. This framework allows organizations to align their projects with broader business goals, leading to improved resource allocation and risk management. As we move forward, you'll see how this foundational concept sets the stage for tackling real-world challenges and implementing effective strategies. Let's continue our journey into the heart of strategic planning. Strategic planning is pivotal to ensuring that every project aligns seamlessly with broader business goals. Without a strategic framework, projects risk deviating from core objectives, leading to inefficiencies and setbacks. By allocating resources wisely, strategic planning maximizes asset utility and prevents bottlenecks, safeguarding the project from unforeseen challenges. It's clear that its absence can lead to critical misalignments and resource wastage, while a well-crafted strategy steers projects to success. As we move forward, you'll learn how to overcome common obstacles and build a solid strategic foundation for your projects. Despite its crucial role, strategic planning frequently encounters significant obstacles. Common challenges include a misalignment between projects and overarching business goals, which can derail an organization's trajectory. Resource constraints, such as limited funds, manpower, or time, often impede the execution of well-laid plans. Unforeseen obstacles, like market changes or technological disruptions, pose significant threats to achieving strategic objectives. Recognizing and addressing these hurdles is essential for successful strategic planning. As we move forward, you'll see how to overcome these challenges and ensure your planning efforts are not in vain. Welcome to our segment on project selection. Here, we'll delve into the fundamentals of choosing the right projects that align with your strategic goals and promise the highest potential for success. We'll define project selection as the essential process of evaluating and selecting projects. It's a critical decision-making step that impacts the overall success of your project portfolio. Next, we'll explore key criteria for selecting projects. These criteria ensure each chosen project supports your company's strategic objectives and is feasible within available resources. Understanding this process can dramatically enhance project outcomes, leading to better resource utilization and higher success rates. Stay tuned for more insights. When selecting projects, it's essential to consider criteria that ensure alignment with your organization's strategic goals. Every project chosen should support the overarching vision and objectives. Assess the feasibility of the project. Can it be realistically achieved with the available resources and within constraints? Lastly, evaluate the potential return on investment. Projects offering substantial benefits relative to their costs should be prioritized. Understanding these core criteria will help you make informed, strategic decisions. As we proceed, let's delve deeper into these elements and their roles in effective project selection. Project selection can often feel like navigating a maze, fraught with challenges that can derail even the best planned initiatives. One major hurdle is subjectivity in decision-making. Personal biases and differing opinions can cloud judgment, leading to less optimal choices. Resource limitations are another challenge. Organizations can't say yes to every promising project. Finite budgets, time constraints, and limited manpower mean tough decisions about resource allocation must be made. Changing organizational priorities can also complicate the selection process. Recognizing these challenges is the first step in mitigating their impact. As we move forward, you'll see how to strategically plan and select projects that align with your organization's goals, optimizing resources and outcomes. Now that we've explored the challenges and critical elements of strategic planning, let's dive into a structured approach to tackle this essential process effectively. First, we begin with setting objectives. Clear objectives provide direction and purpose, ensuring every effort aligns with your long-term goals. Next, it's crucial to analyze both internal and external environments. Internal analysis helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses, while external analysis, often through PEST or SWOT frameworks, offers insights into opportunities and threats. With a comprehensive understanding of your environment, you can then move on to formulating strategies. This step is all about identifying the best ways to achieve your objectives, leveraging your strengths, and addressing potential challenges. Once strategies are in place, it's time to implement your plans. This involves assigning resources, defining responsibilities, and setting timelines, all crucial elements to ensure smooth execution. Finally, the process doesn't end there. Regular monitoring and evaluation are essential to track progress, measure success, and make necessary adjustments. This iterative approach ensures that your strategic plan remains dynamic and responsive to changing circumstances. As we move forward, you'll see how this structured approach not only simplifies strategic planning but also enhances its effectiveness in achieving desired outcomes. In our next segment, we'll apply a similar structured methodology to project selection, ensuring that chosen projects align perfectly with your strategic goals and have the highest potential for success. Let's break down the project selection process. First, identify potential projects. Look around your organization. What's needed? What ideas can drive growth or improve processes? Create a comprehensive list of all possible projects, considering both short-term and long-term goals. Next, evaluate project feasibility. Assess the resources required, estimate costs, and analyze potential risks. Feasibility studies will help narrow your list to projects that are not only desirable but also attainable given your current capabilities. Once feasibility is established, it's time to prioritize projects. Consider the strategic alignment of each project with organizational goals. Which projects offer the highest return on investment? Which can significantly reduce risks or improve operational efficiency? Create a prioritization matrix to objectively evaluate each project's potential impact. Finally, with your projects identified, evaluated, and prioritized, select the best ones. Choose projects that align closely with your strategic goals, are feasible within your resource constraints, and offer the highest value. This selection process should be transparent and well documented, ensuring all stakeholders understand the rationale behind chosen projects. Following this structured approach ensures your organization focuses on the most promising initiatives. As we move forward, you'll see how integrating strategic planning with project selection further enhances your organization's success. Strategic planning is crucial for steering projects toward success, and various tools can enhance this process. Effective tools include SWOT analysis, which identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, PEST analysis, which examines political, economic, social, and technological factors, and the balanced scorecard, which provides a comprehensive view of an organization's performance. Utilizing these tools allows project managers to develop well-rounded strategies that consider both internal and external environments. As we delve deeper, we'll see how these tools integrate into the larger framework of strategic planning. ensuring that every step is aligned with long-term goals. You'll learn not only how to implement these tools but also how to analyze their outputs to make informed decisions. Next, we'll explore using these tools in tandem with other strategic planning methods, creating a robust approach to adapt to the complexities of project management challenges ahead. So let's continue this insightful journey into mastering strategic planning and project selection, equipping you with necessary tools and techniques for sustainable project success. Selecting the right projects can feel overwhelming, but having the right tools makes all the difference. Scoring models are invaluable. They provide a quantitative basis for evaluating and comparing projects. Next, benefit-cost analysis helps weigh the potential benefits against the costs, ensuring resources are used efficiently. Lastly, decision matrices offer a structured approach to comparing multiple projects based on various criteria, making it easier to identify the most promising opportunities. Together, these tools streamline the project selection process, ensuring alignment with strategic goals and optimizing outcomes. As we move forward, you'll see how these tools can be seamlessly integrated into your project management strategy. Let's look at a real-world example of successful strategic planning. In this case study, we'll explore the steps taken and the significant outcomes achieved. The organization began by setting clear and measurable objectives, aligning them with their long-term vision. They conducted a thorough analysis of both internal and external environments, identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Next, the leadership team formulated a set of robust strategies to leverage their strengths and capitalize on opportunities while mitigating risks. The carefully crafted plans were implemented with precision, ensuring all departments were in alignment with the strategic objectives. Constant monitoring and evaluation allowed the team to adapt and make data-driven decisions. As a result, the organization saw marked improvement in resource allocation, project success rates, and overall performance. Learning from this case study, you can see how methodical planning and execution can lead to substantial success. As we move forward, you'll see how successful project selection further complements strategic planning for optimal outcomes. Now, let's explore a real-world example of successful project selection. In this case study, we'll uncover the criteria used to choose the project and examine the results obtained. The selected project aligned perfectly with the organization's strategic goals, demonstrating a high return on investment and feasibility. Decision-makers considered several factors, including market potential, resource availability, and risk assessment. By adhering to these criteria, the project secured the resources it needed and mitigated potential obstacles. The result was increased efficiency, significant cost savings, and a transformative impact on the organization's overall performance. This example highlights the power of a well-defined project selection process in driving organizational success. It underscores the importance of strategic alignment and comprehensive evaluation in choosing the right projects. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles can be applied across various scenarios to ensure the adaptability and resilience of your project portfolios. Stay with us as we continue to delve into best practices and further insights on refining your strategic planning and project selection processes. To elevate your strategic planning efforts, it's crucial to adopt best practices that can drive substantial improvements. Start by embracing continuous improvement. This means regularly evaluating your strategies and making adjustments based on performance outcomes and changing conditions. Engaging stakeholders throughout the planning process is equally essential. Their insights and feedback can enhance the relevance and acceptance of your strategic plans. Conducting regular reviews helps ensure that your strategy stays aligned with your organization's goals and adapts to new challenges and opportunities. By implementing continuous improvement, involving stakeholders, and holding regular reviews, you can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your strategic planning process. As we move forward, you'll see how these practices fit within the broader context of project management and selection strategies. In project management, effective project selection can drastically influence the success of your initiatives. To cultivate a robust selection process, adhere to best practices. Start by using objective criteria, evaluating potential projects based on measurable factors like costs, benefits, and strategic alignment, ensuring decisions are data-driven and unbiased. Maintain transparent processes, clearly communicating selection criteria, decision-making processes, and rationale to all stakeholders. This transparency builds trust and facilitates smoother execution. Lastly, provide regular updates. Keeping stakeholders informed with consistent progress reports and revisiting project evaluations ensures chosen projects remain relevant and meet objectives as circumstances evolve. As we move forward, you'll see how integrating these and other best practices leads to a cohesive, well-aligned project portfolio, primed for success. Integrating strategic planning with project selection is like two sides of the same coin. When these processes align, they create an unbroken link between strategic goals and projects undertaken, ensuring each project is a critical step toward broader objectives. This synergy maximizes project success by streamlining decision-making, ensuring effective resource use, and predictable outcomes. Think of it as a strategic roadmap that guides each project to align perfectly with the overall vision. As we move forward, you'll see how this integration process can be practically implemented, fostering a cohesive strategy that brings clarity and purpose to every project undertaken. Stay with us as we explore specific methods to create this synergy, ensuring your projects aren't just successful but strategically impactful. In strategic planning and project selection, several common pitfalls can derail even the best-laid plans. Ignoring strategic goals is a critical error. When projects aren't aligned with overarching business objectives, it leads to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Lack of stakeholder involvement is another significant pitfall. Successful strategic planning is a collaborative effort, requiring input and buy-in from all relevant stakeholders. Without this, you risk resistance, misunderstandings, and project failure. Inadequate resource allocation can cripple projects. Failing to allocate necessary time, funds, and personnel can falter well-planned projects. By being mindful of these pitfalls and addressing them, you can steer your projects toward success. As we move forward, you'll see how overcoming these challenges sets the stage for effective strategic planning and project selection. Stay with us as we dive deeper into keys to successful project management. As we wrap up our comprehensive guide, it's essential to remember the key takeaways. Strategic planning and project selection are foundational to achieving project success. Throughout this video, we explored a step-by-step approach to both processes, identifying challenges and presenting effective solutions. Aligning projects with strategic goals ensures efficient resource allocation, proactive risk management, and maximizes project success rates. Best practices like continuous improvement, stakeholder involvement, and regular evaluations serve as a roadmap for ongoing success. By integrating strategic planning with project selection, we create a synergistic approach ensuring each project's alignment with broader business objectives. Applying these practices consistently helps navigate complexities and avoid pitfalls. We hope this guide provided valuable insights and practical tools to enhance your project management skills. Remember, the journey to excellence in project management is ongoing. Embrace these strategies, stay dynamic, and continue to refine your processes. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in all your project endeavors.